Today we will create another simple Python project which is named as even and odd number checker. Okay, so we will create a variable named number which will be a data type of integer. We will ask our user to give their input. What will the input? Enter a number. If number percentage 2 equal 0, print. So we use f string number is even, else print number is odd. So what this statement is working, how this statement is working, number percentage divided by 2. Let's say we enter number 10. It will divide 10 by 2, and if it's cleanly divided by 2 and leaves no remainder, which will be equal to 0, then it will tell us it is even number. And if the number is not 10, it is 11, and 11 is not cleanly divided by 2, then definitely the remainder will not equal to 0 and it will tell us that number is odd. So let's run it. Enter a number. Let's enter 10. 10 is even. Okay. So run it again. Enter a number. We will enter 11. 11 is odd. That's all.